Blowing snow, y'all. Get back, doggy. Ooh, cold. 6 to 12. Damn. Who the heck is down there? Too cold outside to get the camera out. Alright, just want to show you the snowstorm. We'll be like this all night. Stay tuned for more updates. We're outside right now. Everything is white, man. Everything. Look at this. We're outside right now. Everything is white, man. Everything. Look at this. Everything is white. Excuse me, hold on. We're outside right now. Everything is white, man. Everything. Look at this. Everything is white. Excuse me, hold on. We're outside right now. Everything is white, man. Everything. We're outside right now. Everything is white, man. Everything. We're outside right now. Everything is white, man. Everything. Look at this. Everything is white. Excuse me, hold on. About 26. It's only 19 degrees outside. 19. It's not too deep. Yep, it's 19. Yep, I was right. It's only 19 outside, y'all. It's snowing right now, y'all. That's about... Tastes like the water. It's about... They say 5 to... Rick Nickelbus said 5 to 10 inches of snow. Mostly we're gonna get like 6 inches. Here's the darkness. Ooh, it's cold, man. Oh, my camera stays warm. Listen, they say we're supposed to get 96 inches this year. Next year it's gonna be 107. April, okay. We might get a school debate tomorrow. We might. Or we might get a school debate tomorrow. 5 to 10 inches. Oh look, all that turned to ice. Ooh. That's all the footprints I'll step on. Still snowing, y'all. Supposed to be like 5 to 10 inches. Look outside, it's pretty much dark. Where's that light down there? Well, tomorrow, after school, going outside again. See how much snow we got in. Okay, I'm freezing. I'm so... Oh, by the way. Do not stick your 10 in the ice age. Okay, I'm freezing. I gotta go. Take it easy. Hell yeah, the one you're looking outside, that is a lot of snow. A lot of snow.
We heard some reports out of Canada. They got about 13
I like this.
inches of snow. Now listen to this. It took us a good hour and a half this morning to get from the station in Mishawaka to here in Niles. Right now we're on US 12, which is just off the bypass. The snow has been falling off and on throughout the morning, but it appears to be light.
Everything is colored white.
The roads again are snow covered and very slick, especially the exit.
Yeah. Whoa! Look at that.
As you can imagine, it's been a hectic day.
Whoa! Look at that! Look at that! Down there.
More than 50 slide-offs and accidents of
Here comes heavy snow coming. That's 13 inches of snow. 13. 13 inches of snow. Most of the schools had canceled today.
I live out in the country here, so they're pretty bad on the side roads.
I just posted a picture, the 10 inches, MySpace, WSBT, U News, and Rattlebug. That's what's gonna be on YouTube. Now you see the lower part right here? It will snow, but just fall off because it was too much weight. If you get too much weight for the power line, hey, when the snow get too heavy in the power line, it will fall off.
Only the beginning for sure. Now, Sarah, it does look like those plows can start to catch up here, right? Looks like
We got more snow coming because I'm looking the way up. We got more like stuff. It's gonna stop about somewhere like 2 o'clock. I'm gonna have a lot of shoveling, guys. A lot. This is. We got too early. We got snow too early. According to a global warning, we gotta do since 97 inches of snow. Now it's just 107. 72 is an average.
well, there's concern the bad economy will keep many drivers from getting their
The most poles supposed to melt a lot this year, but how could this be?
The most important step is checking your tire tread because
There were lots of major accidents this morning. There was one. There's a small accident in our house today, but I was sleeping. So that's all about it about this. Not done yet. We're going outside someday.
Winter is Christmas time. People want to see about.
It's Christmas time. Casual Waiter, part 2 out of 2. It will be posted. Goodbye and see you all from the next storm.